Hey, what's going on? Prashil here, and today I'm super pumped to be doing the unboxing of the M1 powered iPad Pro 11-inch. So yeah, let's get straight to it. So on the side of the box, you've got the iPad Pro logo, and on the back, not really that much. You've just got the storage size, which is 256 gigabytes. So you've got the iPad Pro 11-inch, 3rd generation, Wi-Fi only. I have no use for cellular, so that doesn't really affect me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's peel away this tab and open up the box. Apple logo at the bottom. And there you have it, the M1 powered 11-inch iPad Pro. And yeah, it's got this really nice matte textured cover, which I always like peeling away on any Apple product. So yeah, we'll set this aside here for a sec and look at what else is in the box. So you've got the Designed by Apple in California text. In the box, you've got your 20-watt fast charging brick, as well as your USB Type-C to C cable, which is very nice. And yeah, let's have a look at what's in this little box here. And so you've got the iPad Pro, and I think this is the quick start guide here. And yeah, that'll be helpful for people who, need help, I guess. And you've got some of the finer print here, which talks about safety and all that kind of stuff. No one really cares about this. And you do get a set of Apple stickers, so you get 2, which is nice. And yeah, they're white. I honestly wonder what it'll be like if they actually gave black Apple stickers. I think matte black would look really nice. This is okay, but yeah, maybe it's time for Apple to change it up. All right, so that's pretty much everything that's inside this little box here. So let's set that aside and get to the iPad itself. So yeah, let's peel this away. Now I gotta say, this not only looks good, but damn is it nice to hold in the hand. And I think that's mainly due to the new and improved boxier design that Apple's been using on their later iPads, which allows them to not only make the device feel better to hold in the hand, but also gives more real estate internally so that they can add bigger and improved hardware. And I gotta say, right off the bat, the camera module itself isn't too pronounced. It doesn't actually stick out too much from the chassis of the device itself, which is kind of nice. And yeah, you definitely won't see a sleek camera module like this on the iPhones of today. So yeah, looking at the bottom, you've got your dual speaker setup with your USB Type-C charging port here. And on this side, you have a magnetic dock, so to speak, for the Apple Pencil, which I actually have and will be doing an unboxing of in this video. And yeah, you've got your volume rockers up and down on this side. And on the other side here, you've got your power button, as well as another set of speakers up top here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's boot it up. All right, so while this boots up, let's take a look at the Apple Pencil. So yeah, you get a pretty small box. I mean, it is just a pencil, but I gotta say, this feels slightly overpriced. In fact, slightly, I think would be an understatement here. This feels really overpriced to me. But yeah, it's the Apple Pencil. It works with the iPad. So let's open it. Let's peel away this plastic here. Just a little tap to pull. You can slide this right out of the box. Designed by Apple in California, of course, and probably assembled in China. And there you have it, the Apple Pencil. Which I gotta say, feels really nice in the hand. It's got this nice little matte texture, which is quite a significant change from the original Apple Pencil, which had more of a gloss finish. This has more of a matte texture, which is nicer because you won't actually see fingerprints on this. All right, so I think the iPad is booted up. Let's go take a look at that. So yeah, the iPad's pretty much booted up, and you've got that classic Apple welcome, which is just hello in a bunch of different languages. Let's try connecting this to the iPad. And just like that, you've got the Apple Pencil connected to the iPad Pro. So yeah, this has been my unboxing of the 11-inch M1 powered iPad Pro, as well as the Apple Pencil 2. Thank you so much for watching. I guess we're out of time, so I'll catch you in the next one. And I wish you all a very happy Christmas.